Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to be doing another video, and we're going to do a follow-up on Python because the previous video was on variables, and I just thought, hey, maybe I could add in another one about printing in Python. So this one's for those of you who want to learn more in Python. Yeah, so enjoy. Okay guys, so now I'm officially in my coding application, which is PyCharm, and yeah, let's just go over what is print. So, since you clicked on this video, you might be wondering, or you might already know, what is print? So printing is just displaying something onto your run. So you can display stuff like numbers and strings. So you can say something like print hi, or print Sid, or print Sid is a human. Or you can do stuff like print pi, print 3.1415, or whatever, right? And yeah, that's pretty much printing for you. So let's go over what it is here, okay? So one thing that we want to do is let's get rid of some extra lines. And I know that previously we did some stuff, so whatever you ran through there, you want to delete. But here you go. Okay, so printing, we can do an easy print variable with, like, suppose we say print 0. And if you're wondering, yes, you can print variables. So here's what we want to do if we want to run it. Click run hello world, and your little terminal comes up saying, hey, you got your run terminal area comes up, and it says it prints 0 for you. So if you want to do this, you can do stuff like math applications in it, like 0 plus 1, right? And make sure that there's a space there whenever you're trying it, because I believe that taking the space out might change some stuff, but let's try it out. So therefore we get 1, so that's good. So now we want to try something maybe a bit easier, and let's say something like hi. Whenever you read a book and you see the word hi, like Andrew said, hi, you definitely always see it in double quotations. So in Python it's very similar. You can use 1 quotation or 2 quotations, and it'll work like this. So you can either do Sid this way, or you can do Sid this way, sorry. You can print it this way. But if we run this, we should get the same thing. It shouldn't be any different, because double quotations and single quotations give you the same input-output thing. Okay, so they give you the same, they're different inputs, but they're the same output. Okay, so again, that's how that works, but you can use it in different ways, like I said. So you can do something like, say, n equals, no, we will say, like, previously we did Sid is equal to human, right? So let's use that again. Sid is equal to human, so I'm a human, so you can do something like print Sid. And so when you print Sid, and it's just the variable Sid, you can do something like, you can just print out what it is. He's a human. So if you say, what is Sid, print Sid, you'll get human. So let's do a bit more complicating version of this. So let's say print hello. No, let's say print 1, actually. Let's say print 1. Actually, no, I'm going to make this even more complex for you guys. So let's make it something like n. N is equal to a number. So let's just say our current number is 0. We started off at 0. So once we have that, you can do something else, like say print n, but you can also say something, so when you say print n, it prints 0, but can you put n in this bracket and say something like n plus 1? You can. You can say, what is n plus 1? So let's do that. And when we run it, we should get the same answer as putting print 0 plus 1. So now what we can do is, in the future, whenever we want to do something and we want to change something and use statements, you can change it on, like, on the spot. You can say something like n equals 1, and then you can say print n, and then you can say n equals 2, print 2, right? So let's do that. No, print n again. Yeah. So it should put 1 and then 2, right? And that's what it does. So right there is just a simple view of what it is. So that's pretty much it. For now, I'm just going to give you guys a quick problem for you guys over if you guys want to try something out and you don't want me to keep telling you stuff. Here's a problem that you can solve on your own. So here's the problem. I want you to say something like print n, like a variable, and make it so that you can print 10 times. So you can put 1, 10, 20, 30, all the way to 100, right? So that's what I want you guys to do, and I'm pretty sure you guys have got this. I mean, you guys are watching these videos, so you should be able to get it. And if you have any questions, please comment them down below. Thank you.